I'm Betty Ingham, and I'm speaking on behalf of ExpertVillage. When we moved into the house, someone had dropped the ceilings, and they even cut off the corner post of the woodworking, of the molding. So the first thing we did was we tore out the suspended ceiling, and it had been paneled. If we had torn the panel off, we would have had to take the wainscoting, the molding out, everything, and it would have ruined the whole effect if we had sheetrocked it. So what we did was we got masonite, the same thickness as the cheap paneling on the bottom part, and we mud and taped all of the seams in the paneling and all of the where the masonite matched the paneling. And Victorian era painting was very bright. We painted it a pale yellow so we would bring out the natural woodwork.